Now that I've applied my foundation, I'm gonna go into set with our Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I absolutely love the packaging of this product because it's custom designed to dispense the perfect amount of powder each time. Plus, because it is translucent, it can work on any skin tone. So first, I'm gonna start with the fluffy side of the Veil Powder brush. I'm gonna tap a little bit of product into the brush, tap off any excess, and then apply all over the face. I love how lightweight this feels on my skin. And you can truly see the difference being talc-free because it doesn't look chalky on my skin. It looks like it's just gliding right on my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with the smaller side, grab a little product, tap off any excess, and apply under the eye. This brush is perfectly designed because it fits right under